Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Utkarsha. In today's video, we are going to learn about what is Postman and how to download it. So, Postman is a popular tool used for API testing. With Postman, we can send requests like get, post, put, and delete and verify API responses easily without writing any code. So it is widely used for QA testers, developers, and automation engineers to test, debug, and document APIs. Now let's see how to download Postman. Now just open your browser and search for Postman download. Select your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and click on download button. As you can see here, Postman is downloaded successfully. So we'll just open it. As you can see here, installation is starting. So installation is started here. So here is the Postman installed successfully. This is the screen of the Postman. You need to click on allow button here. So as you can see, Postman is downloaded successfully, and this is the like work environment where we will do this stuff of API testing and all. So this is the process of how to download the Postman. So that's it. Now you are ready to start API testing using Postman. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and keep learning. Thank you.